Introduction to the fork and clone workflow.
The fork and clone workflow is a popular way to contribute to open source projects. It allows anyone to propose improvements without needing special access. By understanding this workflow, developers of all skill levels can collaborate efficiently and keep project code bases safe and organized. Let's explore how it works and why it is widely used in open source communities.
What is forking a repository?
When you fork a repository, you create a personal copy of someone else's project on platforms like GitHub or GitLab. This allows you to experiment freely without affecting the original code. Forking is the essential first step before making changes, ensuring you have your own workspace to develop, test, and revise your contributions before sharing them with the main project.
Cloning to your local machine.
After forking, you clone the repository to your local computer. Cloning downloads all project files and history so you can work with them using tools like Git. This step lets you make changes, add features, or fix bugs directly on your device, all while keeping your work separate from both the original and your online fork.
Making changes and committing.
With the project set up locally, you're ready to make changes. This could include adding new features, fixing bugs, or updating documentation. After editing, you'll use Git commands to commit your changes, recording snapshots of your progress. Committing often helps you organize your work and makes it easier to explain your updates to others later.
Pushing and creating pull requests.
Once you're satisfied with your changes, push your commits back to your fork on the hosting platform. Next, you open a pull request to propose your changes to the original project. The project maintainers will review your work and may ask for adjustments before merging. This process ensures quality contributions and allows open discussion about improvements.
Tips for effective collaboration.
A few tips for success. Keep your fork up to date with the original project by regularly syncing changes. Write clear commit messages and pull request descriptions. Be receptive to feedback from project maintainers and contributors. Practicing these habits helps maintain project quality and fosters a positive, collaborative, open source community.